Recreation is about vision, it is seeing what others overlook. Imagine painting bottles in pastel shades mint, lavender, cream, green, red and arranging them as a centerpiece. Imagine carving patterns, wrapping them with macrame threads, or turning them into holders for candles. Each bottle, once ordinary, becomes a sculpture piece. A touch of gold paint can make it royal. A collage of pressed flowers sealed on glass makes it poetic. Glass makes it poetic when we reflect and when we recraft bottles. We are not just decorating; we are creating a lifestyle. One where art and sustainability live hand in hand. Now picture a house, not a giant one, but a 3D crafted house where bottle take part in the design. Walls lined with cut plastic bottles, arranging them, stained glass shimmering in the sunlight, some paste, add some texture paste. A garden made of tiny glass bottle vases, each holding a sprig of green. Inside a small bottle caps become stools, tables, and colorful tiles for the floor. Larger bottles, slices, and reshaped turn into storage containers or even artistic lampshades. This miniature 3D house is a dream of sustainability, a place where nothing is wasted and everything finds beauty again. In the rhythm of reuse, every bottle becomes a story, no longer thrown away but transformed into decor, into craft, into the magic of a handmade home creation. The next time you finish a drink, pause before discarding the bottle. Look at it closely. Could it become a vase, a lamp, a piece of your own 3D dream house? It depends on you. To reuse is to imagine, to recraft is to heal, and to recreate is to remind ourselves that beauty doesn't come from buying, it comes from creating. So let's keep crafting, let's keep imagining, and let's keep giving bottles a second life, a more beautiful one. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining today's journey. Until next time, may your hands stay creative and may your imagination always stay full.